Good morning, it's Fresh Flower Focus time, and this is Laura Angel with Mississippi State University with our Extension Service, and I just wanted to talk about harvesting fresh flowers from your garden. And so I'm in my garden. I have a container of water and I have a paring knife, and so I'm going to show you how to harvest your fresh flowers so that you can make a floral arrangement in your garden and in your home to enjoy the rest of the week. So what you're going to do is you're wanting to try to leave a long stem on your flower. And see, I have a nice pretty sunflower right here, and I'm going to make sure that I have a nice pretty long stem. I'm going to use my paring knife to try to make a 45-degree angle on my cut, and then I'm going to immediately put it in water. So basically I'm going to, I have a long stem, a long sunflower right here, and I'm going to make a cut with my knife, and just, there you go, there's how it is. And it basically, you're cutting a 45-degree angle just like that with your paring knife. You're cutting it and immediately placing it in water. Okay, I am beside my porch and I have some beautiful zinnias here, and so I'm going to show you how to harvest those. And so you're basically looking for a long stem, and you're trying to cut that stem at a 45-degree angle, and then you're immediately going to place it into water, making sure that you remove your foliage below the water line, and then place that in water. I'm harvesting early in the morning. It's around 7:30 in the morning, and I'm harvesting before the heat of the day so that my flowers don't get too hot and too droopy. Enjoy your harvest and enjoy picking flowers today in your own garden. Here is Joy Anderson discussing greenery that you can harvest from your own garden.
So we're going to be gathering some greenery for our arrangement. This actually happens to be burning bush, and you just want to cut it off. And when you get it in and we've got these individual branches that we will use to cover our oasis. Always think about different textures that you can use, like this Sweet Bay Magnolia, and so it has some interest in right there. Oh, it fell off, but it's got nice long glossy leaves that you can use. You want to get a couple of branches of these for our arrangement. But also think of the filler. There's some fillers that you can get. I like this because when I put it in an arrangement, it will just make it light and airy, and it's kind of spiky. It doesn't have a big flower that's going to detract from your other flowers. And we can use that as filler. So frilly, spiky, round textures, glossy colors, those are the things that we look for foliage and fillers.
We hope that you try your hand at harvesting your own flowers from your garden, and trying your hand using Oasis and making a flower arrangement with things that you have gathered from your garden. Thank you for joining our Fresh Flower Focus, and we hope that you join us again.